hello, next day, continuing the vlog. I'm here in the mall taking our microwave. Romarico is buying juice. They have many kinds of natural juice there, over there, look. We buy the big one and we go to eat Subway. I make now our sandwich because it's more healthy. Let's see. Ai, que mosca chata! E o queijo? Quero assim com mussarela. Deixa eu dar uma olhadinha. Pode ser cheddar, 2. Tu pode colocar a cebola pra botar no forno, por favor? Nos dois, aham. Tell. What's this?
Mango shake.
Mango shake, but not milk, né?
Yeah, without milk. Pure, huh?
Camera.
My Subway.
Speak loud!
No, my sandwich. What's inside? Okay. See.
What you put? Cucumber?
Salad. Salad.
Salad. But I put 4 kinds of sauce on yours. Too much, no?
Okay.
And our biggest mango juice. And mine, it's less sauce, but it's the same. You know what's the important part of the Subway? Is the salad inside the bread.
And also the sauce.
The sauce as well, but the salad is also important, you know. Before I used to take only few salad, now no more. Now I put everything. Guys, we pick up. I hope it's working.
We hope.
Yeah, long time already. Chi amore? What you're doing?
Making barbecue.
But you're gonna use this, Nona?
Yeah. That's good fish.
Look guys, this is our microwave. We already test. It's a little bit moist coming from here, okay, but it's really moist somewhere. If you, for example, if you cook rice that has water inside, of course somewhere need to goes the moist, so nothing we can do. Is this one? We're gonna stay with this, that it's almost the same as this, the color, everything. The nice part of this microwave is that it's 2 decks, look. You know. Brazilian food again. Beef. We're making the, how can I say? In the barbecue area. Roasted and sweet potato and beans from last night. farofa, of course. It cannot miss. Love farofa. All Brazilian love farofa. Ay. You want farofa, Mara? It's our favorite food. Not favorite. It's not true. I love adobo. Guys, I came here in this place while Romarico, while Romarico is in the gym. So it's long time Ninoy doesn't run, and here is the only open space I can let him run really freely. Look, it's a big place, so it's better because every time he's in the tying, and I have to go only nearby my house, and now he's here, and just to run in this beautiful place is nearby our house. And later I go gym. I'm already ready. Guys, just prepare our dinner. Not our, because Romarico ate it's like green beef with potato and carrots, like a sisig with the seasoning taste that is from Philippines, one soy sauce with quinoa, and this one is escondidinho. It's a sweet potato, green beef, and I put cheese like this. Look, it's really good. I want to eat this one like 1 week already, so I did today. Guys, the kitchen finally is ready. Look, our microwave, our oven. This is my hands because I was painting something. Look, this one, it's made by the one you pull. It's made by aluminum or something, and it's already fading, so I remove all and I paint again. So it's there outside, and I'm painting and I let it dry. So look, everything, it's ready now. It's a kitchen finally. Look, he even fixed the LED there because some part is falling, and now finally the apartment is getting beautiful. Look.
Oh, amore.
Oi.
Estiver
E
quando você estiver.
quando você estiver. Not yet shower, but today, yes. Here we need to bring some things down to the garbage. I will clean the floor now, and here it's what I'm doing, painting. Look, I bought the spray, the black one, and here is the one that you pass like to form like a peel on the top, like to cover well the black painting. Vida, say hi.
Hello. Welcome.
Boring, amore. Who take a shower finally? É o meu amorzinho. Vem, Ninoi, vem. Vem, Ninoi. Guys, today I will not go to gym, only later. Romarico will go alone. Tá, vida? I'm tired. Filho! Parabéns! This one in his face is not about dirt, yeah? He has a problem with his saliva. It's like he drink medicine, so everywhere where he lick, he has like a red saliva. Né, filho? Only if we shave it will get out. And I'm already eating my dinner from yesterday. I'm hungry. And today I will watch only movie, amore. Posso? No gym for me. No, joke. 5, no, 6 p.m. we have a dance. So maybe I go to gym. That's it. One more day. Guys, nothing to show. I'm a bit lazy. I don't even go to gym. And I'm here, full of clothes to fix. Romaliko ready. It's the one who organized. I just need to put in the cabinet. But I'm lazy. I don't know.
Just show your back for a second. Your back. 9 o'clock in the evening. Then only I just start to cook. I'll cook Paksyw na baboy. As you can see there. It's our dinner. Later I'm gonna put Mang Tomas. Vanessa is in the couch watching Netflix. Say hi, Mare.
Hi guys. Evening.
So that's the end of our vlog today. See you guys. Can you check the end of our vlog today? See you again. Ciao.